Right, I think I'm going to make this the last video because now the questions kind of repeat themselves, and I think you should now be at a stage where you could answer these questions yourself. So, like for example, here it says about batch processing to warn nurses about patient's condition worsening. So, for example, this one is absolute common sense, okay? And then, okay, here give 3 reasons why a company contacts potential customers rather than advertising on a website. So this sort of thing you could look into. For example, you know, it's better to contact a customer and speak to them directly rather than advertising on a website because not everybody may see it. That could be a start. Then describe how a microprocessor is used to control a heating system. This is going back to GCSE level. Okay, but don't forget to mention keywords such as analog to digital data. So, you know, so for example here, you may describe, like for example, so the sensor would simply say things, sorry, I'm losing my track of words here. A sensor would detect the heat in the room. So that would be analog data, okay? Then that data, as you know, is converted to digital data, okay? Then there would be a preset value that would be put in. So if the heat in a room is actually below that preset value, then the microprocessor would basically want the heating to start up. Then once the analog data is converted into digital and it reaches that preset value, then the heating goes off. Very simple explanation. Okay, to describe how to check digit would test the validity of a barcode of the examination paper. Okay, again, this question is more or less repeated from earlier. And here you should be able to think about a database field structure. You just need to look at the scenario, give a field name. Field type would obviously be whether it's text or not, the length, the validation rules, and what the key field would be. Okay, so I think you should be able to do these questions by yourself now. You should be able to do these quite easily, considering that you've been through the ones earlier. Okay.